Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did kind of push down a little bit today. It really actually looks like impulsive down. It looks like 3 waves up. It looks like impulsive down again. I kind of feel like this is already an ABC crutch, and the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. We have no Fibonacci bounce on the higher time frames. I think we are most likely in a wave 3 of wave 5 right now, so I'm definitely still looking for longs. I'm paying very, very close attention to these Fibonacci levels. If it does go up, if it makes a nice engulfing move to the upside, I would take it as a long opportunity. Definitely wait for that though, because it easily could go down to a lower fib level, or it easily could also break structure to the downside. I personally am not even thinking about going short unless I do see a structure break, which I'm definitely looking at this as possibly another 3-wave move and possibly another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. We are in very strong uptrends on the dollar, and you definitely have to remember on trends like this, the trend is definitely your friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.